Hello guys, so for today's video we're going to be talking about if-else statements in Python, which is one of the more confusing things. So basically I have made a new folder called if-else statements in my Munchkin's code file, and I have also made the new if-else statements.py file within that folder. So let's do this and let's get to it. So we're going to be writing this in its most basic form, and if you have any questions about the first line specifically, go to our other video, which is our user input video. Okay, so basically, we have to change what is this, whatever comes after this x, which is the variable, into a integer so that the computer will want to do math with us. Alrighty, that's basically that explained. So, if this expression is, so let's say that we were doing this with numbers. So let's say that if this number is divisible by 3, your number is divisible by 3 will pull up. But if this number isn't divisible by 3, it'll go down to the else statement, because unlike other forms of code, this doesn't use brackets or anything, it uses indents. So that's really important to make sure that you know. So now let's see it in action with our example about numbers. So seeing as I've already explained this, don't really need to do it again. So if x, that percent sign basically means divided by in Python. And then two equal signs because Python is a weirdo. And then we're gonna do the indent. We're gonna go down to print str because we gotta make sure that this recognizes it as a string. Plus your is even. So whatever number you previously entered, it will recognize it as even or odd. And then else. And then remember those indents, they're very important. Print string x plus is odd. Awesome, so let's see this in action. Control S so that we save it. And then we are going to be opening this up in our file browser right here. So I'm going to go into my Munchkin's code thing. I'm going to go into if-else statements, and then if-else statements.py. We've done this 58 million times before. Edit with the most recent version of idle. When this video came out, it was that version. And now, let's run it. So, run module, enter number, let's enter 32. 32 is even, and now let's do it again, and we'll run it with an odd number. So an odd number would be 239, enter, 239 is odd. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section, and if you were confused about the first line of our code, then go to our previous video about user statements. Alright, bye guys.